Sitare Zameen Par released on Friday. It's a movie about neurodivergent individuals, mainly about autism and Down syndrome. And today on Beyond Her Story, we have a mother who was on a mission to spread awareness about autism. We have seen autism being portrayed in movies in certain ways, and we have read and heard about it too. But did you know that if you're able to identify the signs of autism early, you can train them to become independent and to take care of themselves? And that is exactly the mission of Vinayakini. Who is Vinayakini and why did she start this mission?
I am Vinayakini, special educator in the field of autism. In this field for last 25 years. Why I got into this field? My daughter is 33 years old. She belongs to autism because she born normal, because of she clicked out of nurse hand at the age of 7 days at hospital. She started getting convulsions and it was severe episodes of epilepsy. For the minimum 5 years, she suffered with epilepsy repeatedly. As a result, she got into autism. That's how I got into this field to understand her and the disability also. By that time, doctors are not aware of autism at all. We could make out the difference only I got the admission to the pre-KG. As a parent, she is our first child and we are not aware of any kind of mental disabilities. But when I observed the other children in the school, I started noticing the differences in her. So I started taking her to the therapist, where they guided me to do the Montessori course to help her. So I started understanding her and the disability slowly. By that time, only my intention was making her normal. So I tried her to provide as much as possible all kind of helps. So I followed her to everywhere. Everywhere means to the preschool, to the school. Then she could do the 7th standard in regular school. But by the age of 5 years, she was so hyper, she could not sit in one place for 5 minutes. But trying to help her better, I tried to understand the disability also. By that time, there was no support of internet or anything. So it was so hard for us to take the information about disability too. I did my courses in autism and special education, other things, vocational training, so many other courses also. I did my diploma in autism especially. But I could understand other disabilities also. Why we have to understand the disability? Because in autism, behavior is the main thing we have to handle. Until and unless you have become aware of the disability, you could not understand the child. If you could not understand the child, you could not help them. She did her NIOS 10th standard also, but what I observe with her as a parent, their special education or formal education will not help them to become an independent individual. So I got into this field to being a vocational unit in charge in ASHA. From there, I thought of starting a special unit only for girls by the name of Amulya Vocation Center, where I have the children with other disabilities also, and this is only for girls, and I limited 10 people only. Why I got into this field is to help them improve their quality of life, because the child's quality of life immediately affect the immediate surrounding people around them, parents, siblings and relatives. All those people will get their quality of life also get affected. So I thought of helping the other children also. Somehow I got into field to help my daughter. It was my need, but now it has become my passion. That's why I try to bring the quality improvement in the child by whatever the potential they have, I want to improve that and make them independent individual and happy, leading a happy life. This is my goal of life. This is the thing I thought of, and somewhere I feel I meant for that. Being a parent, I think I understand the problem and understand the feeling of the child, understand the feelings of the parents also. That's how I thought of helping the people, so that this will be a small contribution of mine to the society. What is autism? Autism is a mental disability. It is not a disease, because this is because of malfunctioning of nerves. So it may come from birth, or it may be result of so many other things. It doesn't have a cause. Till today we don't know the cause or remedy for autism. People with autism tend to be in their own world. The main feature are, they are called right of impairment. In this one, first one is communication disabilities, lack of communication. Even though children are verbal, they can't speak in proper sentences as it is in society. They will prefer to talk in phrases, or the 50% of these people are non-verbal, even though they don't have any oromotor problems. And next one is socialization problem. Socialization skills are very limited, because in socialization they cannot interact with the people. They can't understand the body languages. They don't have the eye contact. Even though they have the eye contact, they can't continue it for a longer time. They can't look at the faces of people talking to them. These are the main features in adult you can find to diagnose or make out they belong to autism. But in early childhood itself, you can make out with so many other characteristics with autism. First of all, let us know about autism. Nowadays, 1 among the 50 births are diagnosed with autism. This is the alarm for the society to know more about autism, understand autism, and beware of autism. Because as early as if you understand or see the signs of autism in the children, you can come for therapy, and there are lot of more chances of getting them mainstream, as the learning is always difficult, but unlearning is more difficult. That's why when child is very young age, we can mold them into whatever the shape we want. In better chances are there. That's why as a general public, you should know the characteristics, signs, signals of autism among the children. At what age you can identify autism symptoms in a baby or child? As soon as child is 3 months old, you can see the child difference in the normal children and the child with autism. They won't be smiling at their familiar faces. They won't be cooing. Otherwise, physically, motor development, there won't be any problem. Otherwise, the thing is, children with autism look very normal, and you can't make out without understanding the features. With the pics, you can't make out at all the child is having autism, because in these children there will be lot of irritative behavior, irritative baby or model baby, what we call them as, because they have hypersensitive and hyposensitive. If child is hypersensitive to any sensory issues are a lot, auditory, visual, tactile, and olfactory, all senses will be hypo or hyper. If child is having hypersensitive, even with the smallest sound, the child will get disturbed, and that child start crying continuously, unconsolable. In the child with the model child, whom we called as a model child, With that child, the child won't be showing any reaction to loudest sound also. Next level, when you call the child's name, child won't be responding. That is the next red flag. When child is not responding to its own name, means child is having some problem. Because there is no emotional understanding. There is no understanding with the facial expression, nothing. Next level, when child start playing, by that time, child won't be giving attention to the object as a full. For example, if you give car to the child will be playing with the wheels, not with the car. Because these children are obsessed with the spinning things. They like to observe fans. They like to observe wheels. Some children I have observed in this field, they spin their own body to stimulate their sensory inputs. Why these things are happening with these children? Because why we call it malfunctioning of nerves. Whenever our nerves receive the information, it goes to the brain and brain tells us how to respond. But in these children's case, information itself goes wrong, and according to that, the response will be in other form. For example, I have seen children who used to laugh a lot when they get hurt. Severely hurt, not a pinch. It gets burning marks all over the body, but child won't be showing any response according to the severity of the injury. So, autism is nothing but it is a disability. So, managing this problem is the only solution for at present.